friends, welcome to my channel. I am Quill and I am here starting off my food allergy friendly channel. Today we will be making corn tortillas. In a medium bowl you will add 2 cups of corn flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix well before adding 1 and 1/2 cup of hot water. Continue mixing until a ball is formed. Grab a little of the dough and roll it into a ball. You can do one of 2 ways. First way is using a tortilla press as I show here. Our first tortilla. It's okay if it's not perfect. With a dusted surface, we place our ball and roll it out to our desired fit. Once your tortillas are flattened, you will add them to a pan or hot griddle as I'm doing here. Let them cook for 30 to 60 seconds before flipping and cooking an additional 30 to 60 seconds. Once done, remove from heat and enjoy. Now let's try one together. I like it. How about you? Thank you for watching. Comment below what recipes I can try to make allergy safe. Until next time, thanks for watching Monster Sauce Munchies. Bye.